example, thank you to Eran, director of Tel Aviv University of Architecture. I think it's a beautiful exercise, and I was very happy to look at all the projects I saw the last days. Thank you, Samuel Gelrubin, for this invitation for the prize Michael Gelrubin, your father. And I was really interested by the project I saw. I think it's a very clever project and one very sharp. And I was more interested by the simplicity, the paradox of the simplicity and the complexity always. For me, it's a paradigm of the modernity, simplicity, complexity. And I like also the starting point. I like the site, the concrete buildings, very brutal, like a starting point to create the pleasure of the life. I feel, because you asked that to me, what is the best project for me? I think for me the project of Noy Ilan and Asaf Jan. The project is, the title is MI, M-I, and I think this project is perhaps the strongest contrast between the simplicity of the starting point, of the space itself, of the concrete space, very hard, with a strong element like this black stone table, with more than a table, because you can do what you want with that, and also this game to hide a lot of things in the double floor. But what I like is the minimalism of and the solidity and the precision of all the design elements for the facilities, for the kitchen, for the toilets, for some storage, and the contrast with what is hidden in the storage, in the floors. And I think it's a contrast also between something very heavy and something very, very light. Something black and gray and white, and something completely colored. So what is light colored is inflatable furniture, armchairs, chairs, benches, I don't know how many kind of furniture. I saw lamps, I think, and all of that you put out that of the storage and of the floors, and you have this idea of the lightness of all these objects, symbol of the life and the easy life. So I think something very poetical in this contrast, and very also agreeable with a little movie, with the music, with a rhythm, I think architecture, aesthetic is also a question of spirit. It's also a question of optimistic attitude. I am an hedonist, and I like when projects are a surprise, and when you can remember an exceptional proposal or situation. So for this reason, this project for me is the number one. For me, the second project, a little bit in contrast with a solid common point, is the most basic floor in poor wood, and you have the library inside, you have the bed underneath, and with sliding panels, you cover that, and you hide every books, every bed, everything, every kitchen tools and all of that. And after you have a bare space, and I think the name of the project is Bare, complètement nu en français, nu. And I think it's radical and it's well done. Perhaps a little bit too janséniste, too austere, and perhaps it's necessary to have colors or to have other parameters, I don't know. But I think on the synthesis, this project is very interesting. In the lightness, another project is also for me interesting for another parameter, is a paper project. The paper project, because I think it could be a beautiful project with light, internal light and external light, and the translucent system, the Chinese shadows, the contre-jour against the day, all of that. Of course, it's very light. Of course, it could be some acoustical problem, perhaps, but we are not at this level. And I think it could be also a beautiful paradox between the solidity of the wall of the concrete and these papers walls to create the partition of the apartment. And the rest of the project I saw are also interesting, with different themes. I remember the project with the theme of the music, another one with the theme of the robots. All of that is a lot of imagination, and I think it's a beautiful competition.